Hey Roberts! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, RM again, back again with another vlog. So ayun, nandito kami sa may mga live lights. Anyway, we don't know kung saan kami pupunta right now. So we're just finding some spot. She is actually my high school friend, like, you know, classmate. So anyway guys, i-vlog ko to because, you know, this is my last week staying here in Manila. So I'm going to leave Philippines. Let's go! Hindi talaga ako naka-move on guys because I'm still mad. Nag-stay pa naman ako ng 2 hours. 3 p.m. dapat nandito na kami, pero
right? You're Filipino. Pag
hindi talaga
sinabing
siya
4,
marunong sumunod sa
pag
usapan.
sinabing 4, 5 yan.
What if? Guys, we're heading to Starbucks. And ano lang kami doon. Actually, nakapunta na siya dito last time, right?
Yeah. Sinamahan mo siya.
Finally! So, ayun po. May lechon po kayo dito.
Nope.
Tol? Sige. Sobrang tamis niya. Hindi ako sanay. So, lagyan natin siya ng tubig. Para, oh my God, what the f***?
Brother, ew. What's that?
Love it. Ito pala yung ambag ko, guys. So, ayun, naka-charge na kami. So, saan ba tayo? So, we're heading to somewhere, everywhere. Let's go. How's your feeling right now?
Feeling good.
I already changed my clothes and my shirt as well.
Scars, takot na akong masugatan.
Since it's your second time here, so what do you think? So what can you say about this place?
It's nice.
Yeah, and so delicious. Let's go to another spot. Yeah, like what the
You are my everything. 별처럼 쏟
Hello. Why? Ay, sige lang, okay lang. Sorry guys, wala akong money. Do you know how much money inside my bag right now? It's like 600. What is this? What is this place? Like it's so, you know, it's so vintage. What time is it? Time check is already 7:53 p.m. Wow. Where? Let's go outside. Wait lang. Mag-search muna ako sa map. We're going to find where's the exit here. So, we're... Ano? Oh, anong meron doon? What's that?
What's that, brother?
What's there?
A few moments later.
Walang katapusang lot. That is so pretty.
Tomisa! Nasaan ka na ba?
What's that?
The view is so nice, like me.
So nice.
Roller coaster. Let's go. Let's move on. I'm so tired na, to be honest. Actually, guys, yung first time ko here, like, I'm crying. Because when I was young, I mean, pangarap ko talaga makakita ng mga buildings. As in, pagkakita ko na ko mga buildings, no? As in, nakahilak ko.
Few moments later.
So let's go to SM Aura. We're going to Ukay. We're going to find some, you know. So mali yung dinaanan namin, guys. Look at that. Nandito na kami sa ilalim ng tulay. Pero hindi naman siya totally tulay. It's like may ano, may daanan sa taas. Then ito yung pinakababa. Look at, oh my god, it's so very, you know. Asa dito? Oh my god. Guys, adventure, eh. Hey!
Para tayo pa papunta.
Okay, papunta pala kami, guys.
Dalawang lalaki.
Ay, Puya, isa magkat-kat tayo. Sige, go, guys. Sige, go.
So, amo na ang problema kay mga katalang-talang ng mga dala. Oh, diba? Oh,
Oh my God. Hey!
sabi ko parang na dana. Sabi ko po.
Outfit check! Pero nagagi sa kasagutan. Stress! Like yung galing ka sa kabubatan tapos paakyat na kami sa 5th floor, right? Finally, nakaupo na din after sa aming adventure. And now, we're heading to Market. Uhoy.
So anyway, wala silang dinisplay na ukay sa market, kaya kakain na lang kami.
Okay, let's eat. Alam kong pagod yung mga staff here. So ako na lang pag-finish.
Naging crew bigla eh.
Yes. I'm so wow. Like I'm so thirsty. This is all for you, everybody. Hindi man lang tinanggal yung flag. sino yung mga red flag dyan? Red flag. Sino yung mga red flag? Hindi ako red flag.
A few moments later.
So guys, we're done eating. So how's your feeling? Are you full?
Yeah, I'm full.
So anyway guys, I want to go home din and I think I'm going to end my video here. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye-bye.
And also follow kayo sa Instagram account ko for more updates. And also, yun. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!